The finest cup of coffee is rooted in the art of the pour. Juni replicates this treasured ritual at the push of a button, bringing ease to every step. With cone and batch brew baskets, the eccentric motor delivers gentle vibration before and while coffee brews for steady agitation. Achieve even saturation with the rotating brew basket and customizable pour patterns with a steady pour nozzle for laminar flow and automatically timed pours from bloom to final brew. Every intricacy of the delicate process of pour-over was thoughtfully considered to create your perfect cup consistently. Experience the ease of exceptional pour-over with Juni, the automated pour-over machine.